Big Wheels back here for another video. I just got done with the forks, so sorry I did not get a video on that. I will show, I mean, you can tell by the top, a little different than the 03, 04, 05, 06 on here. I didn't quite get to my tire, just got that in. So I went to go fix it, or put the new tire on, and learned that the air compressor didn't work. You gotta test your stuff before you work on your bike or something, because if you get stuck, aka me, in most situations, because kind of jerry-rig some stuff and get that going. Like today, oh man, we had a floor jack on the side. It's a 2-ton floor jack, so we're good. I mean, easy weight on that. But these honestly feel a lot better. Just rebuilt them, did all that, because the right side was leaking when I first bought him. Got them off eBay for like 90 bucks. They got a few scratches here and there, but like I ain't too worried about that. As long as they function right. It was certified from an actual shop, so we're all good there. Got the rotors, they're certified as well, and they fit with the 03, 04 brakes. And also I had to take the triple off in order to put the right bearings back in, because I tried to put the 05, 06 and that did not work, because the bearings are a little different. So yeah, did all that today without even any of the right tools. That's usually how I get my bike worked on, and I do it myself. Built, not bought. I mean, I buy the parts, but I build it. Because one, you kind of want to learn your bike, so that way when it's not running right, if you run it all the time like the way stunners do, where you beat up on it and you just got to take care of it. So rather know how to do all this stuff in order to save yourself some money if you're a cheapo like me. Oh man, but it's been like a week since I've been on the bike. Just been busy contemplating what to do right now. So took a half day, got some stuff done. Started the bike at like 4, got done, had some dinner, hung out with a little bit with roommates and some friends, and then now we're out here riding, practicing, going downtown. So, and then plus we got the forks done today, so that's a huge plus. I was actually planning on doing these tomorrow when it was a little lighter out, so I can make a video, but I had time to do it today, and the lighting's not good, so I didn't get a good video. But next time I take the forks out, I will show you how I did it all. I'm so pumped though. I am so pumped for this now. Holy crap. Almost having your bike where you want it for the time period you have. up, man? Yeah. 03636. Yep. I just put. Thank you. I like that. F4I? F4I? There, next up. Definitely too tired for this, but yeah, just want to test out the forks, see how they do. Honestly, I like them. They are all relined. I did that, so that's good, because sometimes your tire will be like cockeyed a little bit, but you'll be like straight on your triple trees, so you gotta get that fixed sometime. This is like right where I first crashed, right there. That little manhole there. Hit that. It was raining out. Just got this baby tuned for the first time ever. Got a little twitchy on the throttle. And your boy just slid out. You guys have a good one. I'm gonna hit the bed. Probably actually gonna edit and then hit the bed. So hopefully you guys have a good weekend. Have a good rest of the week. And this is Beaks Wheels. Peacing out.